Let's jump right in. Black Jamaican castor oil and argan Moroccan oil I put on freshly washed hair, and that was a microfiber towel that I had on my hair. Let's take a moment to get into these 18-month-old locks, sis. Being this was the first time using the black castor oil on my hair, I just put about a quarter size amount and concentrated it on my ends primarily, and then went through the rest of my hair and massaged my roots and my scalp. After that, I went in with my OGX almond Moroccan oil just to add some additional, hopefully, shine and moisture to my hair. And this is one of my bunched locks that I don't know what to do with. I just leave it and hopefully one day it'll figure itself out. And so I go in and add a little side part because I'm going to 2-strand twist my hair. And I often see my gray hairs and I think they are lint, but it's just gray hair from all this wisdom I possess. Once I get everything in place, I just take a moment to revel at my hair and how far it has come, and the fact that I do it all myself. Now that I have all the hairs in place, I go through to separate to start the flat twist. I'm not going to bore you with showing you how I flat twist all the way around, but I will show you a couple. I just take a couple of the Microlocs and just begin twisting down, kind of like when you do a braid. Didn't want to have to worry about adding anything to the ends of my hair, so I just twisted and hoped that it stayed, and it did. I don't like to spend a lot of time on my hair. The most time that I spend is usually when I wash it, because I try to do something like a twist or a braid just to calm everything down. And one time I didn't do anything to my hair. I think I just blow dried or something, and I showed a video, but I did just the least amount to my hair, and it didn't mess my hair up or anything. It just wasn't appealing when I took the bonnet off. So I just make a point to wash my hair on days that I know I'm in the mood to do something to it afterwards. And here I just went through and did the flat twist all over my head. If you're still with me this far in the video, feel free to take a moment and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, though I still need the watch hours. So if you have any extra time, feel free to go to my The RLS Life playlist and just let the videos run. Turn the volume down, you don't even have to listen to me talk. Just let the videos run and help your girl out a little bit. Also, you can share with a friend who's thinking about Microlocs, or who has Microlocs and maybe looking for some different ways to style their hair. Anything that can support the channel, I greatly appreciate it. If you don't know, I self-retie, and this one section got me the last time I retied my hair. I swore to myself I was gonna come back and finish it up, but I didn't. I'm human. And so here's the finished look of the flat twist. And next I'm going to get my bonnet and my towel. I always put the satin bonnet on when I use the terry cloth towel, and because my hair is still a little wet and I'm not gonna sit under the dryer or anything, I'm just gonna go to bed. And so I put my bonnet on and then put the terry cloth towel on over it, just to help soak up some more of the moisture throughout the night. I know it's not the best practice, but just do the best you can. Now that I'm done with that, I put on my satin cap just to keep from losing the towel and the other one as I sleep throughout the night. That usually helps. On to the next day. Washed my hair. I don't know what this is gonna look like. May not have known what it was gonna look like, but I was excited to see how my hair was gonna turn out. And I went back in and sprayed it again with the OGX spray, but I often use that spray in hopes of some kind of shine. As I was taking this down and fluffing this out, I was in so much shock as to how my hair turned out. It was so pretty to me, like just with some flat twist and some oil. I'm wondering how different it would be if I use mousse on my hair next time. But these waves I really like, so I don't know, maybe we'll see. If you've made it this far, feel free to leave me a red heart in the comments. I appreciate you so much. Let me know what you think about this style. Also, do you think you would try this style? Does it seem easy enough? As always, let me know what you think in the comments. I look forward to hearing from you. If you only knew how excited it makes me when I get the comments and the interaction with you guys. I really appreciate you giving me some of your time and just being a part of my world. Thank you for your time. Bye.